Hello everyone and welcome back to Gomes Tech Talks channel. I'm excited to bring you part 2 of our Power Visual Agents interview question series, where I'll dive into 5 more essential questions to boost your knowledge and confidence. If you missed part 1, don't worry, it's waiting for you in my playlist. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Crafting these insightful contents and answers takes time and dedication, and your support means the world to me. Now, let's dive into the questions. How can you customize the appearance and behavior of your Power Virtual Agent? So, interviewer will be expecting, what is the expectation from the interviewer? Okay, so the interviewer seeks your grasp of the customization option within Power Visual Agent. So, customizing your chatbot. So, I'm telling the answer for this. Okay, customizing the chatbot appearance and behavior is a breeze in Power Visual Agent. So, you can tailor the chatbot's profile picture, name, and even the welcome message to align with your brand's identity. Additionally, you have the flexibility to fine tune the chatbot's language style, ensuring a personalized user experience. So, what are the skills required for this? So, you should have familiarity with customization features in Power Virtual Agent, and you have to explore chatbot customization. Let's now delve into the question number 7. Okay, so the question number 7, explain the concept of conversation flow in Power Virtual Agent. So, here you can see that they are talking about the conversation flow, okay, in specifically in Power Visual Agent. So what is exactly the interviewer is expecting here is what the interviewer aims to assess your understanding of creating seamless conversation experience. So how you can answer this? Conversation flow dictates the rhythm of interaction between the user and the chatbot. Designing an effective flow involves structuring the bot's responses, ensuring smooth transitions, and providing clear paths for different user input. By anticipating user responses and crafting logical paths, you have to guide users toward desired outcomes. So, in order to do this, what are the skills really required? So, you should have the skill like designing the coherent conversation flow of user engagement. So, moving on to the question number 8, let's uncover the role of Power Virtual Agent Portal. What is the role of Power Virtual Agent Portal and what functionality does it provide to the user? The interviewer wants to know your awareness of the functionalities offered by Power Virtual Agent Portal. So, what is the expected answer? The Power Virtual Agents Portal is the command center for crafting, managing, and monitoring chatbots. Users can design conversation flows, define triggers and actions, and access testing and debugging tools. Analytics features allow user to track performance and user interactions. Okay, in order to answer this 8th question, what skills are required? So you should have proficiency in navigating and utilizing the features of Power Virtual Agent Portal. So now let's navigate to the question number 9, which discovers the strategy for testing and debugging the chatbots. How do you test and debug the chatbot you have created in the Power Virtual Agent? So the interviewer is actually looking for your understanding of testing and debugging methodologies. So what you can answer? To ensure a smooth chatbot experience, the test feature within Power Virtual Agent simulates user interactions. This helps identify issues and refine responses. Additionally, the debug feature. So you have two features, one is test and debug. So the debug feature allows you to analyze conversation logs and pinpoint potential problems. So what are the skills required? Proficiency in testing and debugging chatbots using Power Virtual Agent. Now, let's proceed to our final question for today, which is about the significance of intents in Power Visual Agent. So, can you elaborate on the concept of intents in Power Visual Agent and how do they contribute to the effectiveness of the interaction? So, the interviewer aims to assess your grasp of intent based design and its impact. Okay, so let's understand what is intent. Intents are user intentions guiding chatbot responses. In Power Visual Agent, understanding intents helps craft appropriate reaction. For example, by recognizing an order inquiry intent, the chatbot can provide tailored information about orders. Intents enhance user interaction by delivering accurate responses. So, what are the skills required for this? Ability to design intent based interaction for improved user engagement. So, these are the 5 questions which we have discovered today. And as we wrap up part 2 of our Power Virtual Agent interview question series, I want to express my gratitude for your continued support. So, here you can see that in this document, I have also added the interviewer expectation, expected answer, and the skill required for all these questions. So, what I'll be doing is I'll be leaving a link in order to view this document in the description. You can access this. I request you to subscribe to the channel before accessing the document. Of course, it will ask you to subscribe to the channel before you access the document. And because in order to create these content, it really takes time for me. So it is if you just subscribe, then you can stay tuned to all the upcoming updates, because I have planned for 50 questions lined up for this series, and I'll be releasing them instead of 5 questions in each part. Your engagement, comments, and feedback are incredibly valuable. So, if you have any suggestions or specific topics you would like me to cover, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Your inputs help us tailor my content to your needs and interest. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussion on Power Visual Agent and other exciting tech insights. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single update. Thank you for being a part of my community, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.